How's it going, James, the Online Car Show? Got a really good video for y'all today on a tool from ZL1 add-ons. Got the Magpad and the Magpuck for jacking up the car. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and get this video started. As you know, it's Christmas time and the holiday season, and there's a lot of people out there that aren't as fortunate as all of us, and we need to all, be better about giving back, and giving, especially in this season of the year. Last weekend, Josh, which is Yellowbird, I think Yellowbird 6th Gen, I'll put his link below, on Instagram. He's in United Muscle Car family with me. He helped organize an event through an outreach that they basically invited 20 families in to get food and toys, and we all donated toys and food products for the cause. He gave a little bit in this time of year, to people that are a little bit less fortunate. And then secondly, I'm going to show you all some footage here. We went to a car show that night, or a car meet, I should say, put on by Crew on Deck in Texas. Crew on Deck HTX or something like that on Instagram. I'll put their link too in the description. But they did a huge Toys for Tot event too. They filled up 3 or 4 buckets, I think, just huge, or cardboard box bucket things of toys. So it was, really cool. That's really going to bring some smiles to some young kids' faces this Christmas. And I challenge y'all to go out and try to do something for charity this time of year. Even if it's just buying a toy at Walgreens and bringing it down to a Toys for Tots thing. Whatever you can do, it's always a good idea to give to those that are less fortunate, and bring a smile to somebody else's face. That's the greatest feeling you could have in the world, I think. But All right, well, James, OnlineCarShow.net. We've got the Magpuck here from ZL1 add-ons, and we've also got the Magpads, or Magpad, I should say, not pads. Sorry about the background noise in this video. My neighbor's got a lawn crew that's pushing all the leaves. So just to get this started, I guess we'll get this unpacked. It should just be a real quick video for a tool that, in my opinion, everybody should have with the Camaro. And I've got some mods coming up here that are going to be lifting the car and so forth. So I want to make sure that I do it, you know, safely and the right way without damaging the Camaro. This way will allow you to jack it up on the pinch, or I'm not sure what you call that part of the car, but basically, wow, look at this packaging, ZL1 add-ons. They always nail it with the packaging. Their marketing materials are awesome. Oh, cool, it's got a little remove before flight thing on it. But basically, this Magpad will fit on the puck. It looks like it slides in. And you'll put this on your floor jack, and you'll lift it up between here on the pinch point in the front and rear of the midsection of the car. And I'll get underneath and show you all how it works, but really cool, very good quality. I mean, it's got like Teflon pad or something in there. Very nice. This will, you know, protect your car, allow you to jack it up a little bit safer than just with the jack, and should work out very nicely. All right, well, I'm just going to show you all here. This is probably in the best spot to jack up a vehicle because the crack, as you can see, going along here on my driveway. But I'm not planning on lifting the vehicle all the way up. It's just for demonstration purposes. So I'm going to show you. Basically, you're going to put the puck here in the center of your jack, and it actually fits mine perfect on the little circumference or whatever there. All right, well, basically how this is going to work is this Magpuck and Magpad are going to go together like I demonstrated by sliding in. They fit here just like so on your jack. You're going to take the cross point of the pinch, if you will, and the body, and use it as a jacking point to jack up the vehicle. A little bit safer, and it'll be more secure. So this, you know, we'll just slide underneath, and I'll get you all close up now of underneath of where it's going to jack up. All right, well, what you're going to notice going across here is this beam that's got a little pinch on it, or it's pinched in, basically, the body. That puck and pad are basically just going to fit on that like so, to allow you to jack up the vehicle, if you can see where the puck is, kind of. But that's going to fit like so. You're just going to slide your jack underneath your puck, like so. Tighten your jack. And then make sure that it lifts up right. And I'm not on the crack, so I can go ahead and lift it up and show you. All right, well, as you can see there, oh, it's hard to see the pinch, but basically I've got the puck on the pinch. It's resting on that little Teflon pad in between, and allows you to jack up safely there without damaging your vehicle. And this, you know, you can do the same on the back end. So it works on the front and the back of the vehicle, allows you to safely jack it up. Very cool mod from ZL1 add-ons. I saw this at Camaro Fest, and it's pretty much a must-have for anybody with the Camaro. Well, I actually found out something really cool as I was messing with it. I know why it's called Mag. There's two little magnets on there, and it'll actually, before you slide the jack underneath, it'll actually magnetically stick to that pinch weld to allow you to slide the jack in there without having to hold both, you know, to potentially pinch your hand. Very cool there. That's definitely going to come in handy. Really great tool, not really a mod from ZL1 add-ons, but I think it's pretty much a must-have, and it was at a good price point. Y'all be sure to go check it out, zl1addons.com. I've got a bunch of really cool stuff coming in right now. We've got a drag wheel and tire setup coming in from Auto Empire Houston. Mickey Thompson's, Dark Stars. Also ordered a line lock kit from them. And we've got a bunch of BMR suspension goodies coming in to get rid of the wheel hop. Bunch of exciting stuff going on with the channel. So be sure to hit that subscribe and like button below. Thank y'all so much for watching and have a great week.